Oh yeah, so today we're gonna go ahead and install this new little part that came in for the car. Took like pretty much almost a month to get here, so I'm gonna go ahead and undo this bag real quick, and then I'll show you guys what it is. Alright guys, so these are vents for the bumper, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them right here. So just like that, I'm gonna go ahead and drill them in and then cut some holes out. But the ones I ordered from the website, they had the holes a little bit smaller, but that's fine. I'm still gonna go ahead and use these. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them where I want them at, and then go ahead and start drilling this out. And then we'll put them on and see how they look. Alright guys, so I went ahead and drilled out 2 holes and went ahead and put just two screws on it so we can see how it looks. Doesn't look too bad, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I drilled out the holes and how I marked my holes as well. And then once it's all back on, I'm gonna go ahead and drill some holes in here and then right over here. And after that, we'll go ahead and paint that black so you can't really notice it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys real quick. Alright guys, so that's pretty much how it's gonna look. But right now, I'm hitting something in the back, so it's not letting the drill go all the way through. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the holes real quick, and I'll see what's back there. I'm pretty sure it's the support for the bumper back here, so I'm gonna go ahead and check that out. And then once that's done, we'll go ahead and put these back on, and then do the other side. But yeah, let's go ahead and stand back a little bit. See, it's not gonna look too bad. Just give a little bit more aggressive look to the back. So I already went ahead and marked my holes. I'm gonna go ahead and drill this out real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep drilling this metal out because this thing doesn't go any more further. Same with this one. and one of these over here, so I'm gonna go ahead and touch those up. Oh guys, this shit. The drill bit just broke in half. The fuck? Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video here, and then go ahead and finish this up tomorrow. I'm gonna go buy some new tools tomorrow. Everything's closed right now. So see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so welcome back. So it's another day. So I went ahead and started doing this one real quick. So all that is left is to cut the holes out. I mean, screw the screws, and right here I think I'm just gonna bang it in with the hammer and see if it goes in a little bit. And then right here, since it's plastic, I should be able to drill out the holes. And I found a couple more drill bits inside the car. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish that real quick. Yeah, so now I just have to cut the edges, and then we should be all set, ready to go. And for that, I'm gonna go ahead and use this little drill right here, the little Dremel. Nice, so I just got done drilling out these holes because this metal plate was in the way. So now I'm gonna go ahead and sand this down so we can get a nice smooth surface. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Alright guys, so next is just to go ahead and paint the inside black. But right now I'm not having any tape, I'm gonna go ahead and wait. And after that we're gonna go ahead and put these on. Alright guys, so the paint's all dried up. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the tape. Same over here. So yeah. Alright guys, so that one's already done. I had to cut it again because when I put it on, you can kind of still see the plastic right here. So right here I still need to paint it, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that some other time. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this side so you guys can see how it looks once it's all finished up. So yeah, let me go ahead and do this side real quick, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So it's finally done now. I do need to touch up the paint right here, then put this other screw in, and after that it should be nice and good to go. The same thing over here, I need to cut a little bit more, and after that we'll go ahead and paint it. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad, and then once I get my new exhaust sticking out right here, it will look all nice and good. It will look a little bit more aggressive. And then with the carbon fiber trunk wing that I'm gonna get here soon, everything will look nice all the way back here in the back.